in true. Shuffle. You know the foreign, they're in Angeles. Like here. So many girls like, hey, how are you? Where are you from? Like, can I have your name? But no, I did not understand. But I did not bark. True. But di naman ako nagbabark. Did not bark. I don't like the alcohol. Hi, Romeo. You know, I did not drink alcohol. I am 21, but I did not drink alcohol. I think I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl, deserve 1K. Let's drink coconut. True. I like coconut. Like this picture. Bocajos Beja. You know Bocajos? Do you know Bocajos? Yeah, Bocajos. Ay, baka bababa na ako. Do you like BJ? You don't like BJ? BJ, yes. BJ, you don't like it. The buko juice. Ay, nakakabuo. Buko juice, BJ, it's more. Oh, yes. Hi, Nick MK. S, hello. BJ, it's buko juice. Stand for buko juice. That's why I call that. You know. But yeah. I think you are Filipino. You're kidding me. Z, are you Filipino? Or pure Singaporean? Singaporean? No.